In this video tutorial, we'll look at the average function in Excel. I'd like to work out the average for every month on my spreadsheet. Luckily, Excel has a function that will help me. I'll start by clicking into cell F2. The average function can be found either on the Formulas tab on the ribbon under Auto Sum, or you'll find it using the Insert function. You'll also find the Insert function directly next to the formula bar. Personally, I prefer to go to the Home tab and click on the drop-down next to Auto Sum and choose Average from there. Excel will look for the numbers nearest the cell you started in. In this case, the data selected is correct. All I need to do now is either press Enter on my keyboard or click on the tick next to the formula bar. The cell F2 displays the result, but in the formula bar you can see the cell actually contains equals average, open bracket, B2, E2, close bracket, which means calculate the average from B2 to E2. I could do that all again for February, but I'm way too lazy for that. I'm going to use autofill instead. Get your mouse into the bottom right corner and either left click or double click to the bottom. Now I'd like to get the average for all the data. Click on the Insert function this time, locate Average, and click OK. You'll notice equals average has been typed already, and I'll just highlight the area I would like. If there were further areas I wanted, I could click into number 2 and go and get it, number 3, etc. The function's arguments box will open as necessary. I only need the average for one area, so I'm just going to click OK. Now to show you some different techniques, I'm going to get the average for Sherry and Raven, but this time I'm going to be really brave and type it myself. Equals average open bracket, select the first range, type a comma, then go and get the next range. Close the bracket and enter. I'll just do that again for Tom and Meryl. I'll click on the drop down again though this time. Instead of typing a comma, I'm going to hold the Control key on my keyboard and then get the next area. You can continue to use either the comma or Control key to get any other area you like. Press Enter or tick to finish. At any time, you can double click on top of a cell containing a formula and Excel will display the cells contained within the formula in different colors. In this case, Tom is blue and Meryl is red. I'm just going to press Escape to come out of the formula. So in this video, we've looked at the average function in Excel. For further information on functions, check out our other tutorials.